Pixlr Photo Editor has been making waves as a free online photo editing tool, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time for your next creative project. Pixlr Photo Editor is an online tool that allows users to edit photos directly in their browser, which is pretty convenient. Right off the bat, the interface feels accessible with a layout that's easy to navigate even for beginners. You can upload images from your device or import them from social media, which is a nice touch. The core functionality includes standard editing features like cropping, resizing, and applying filters, alongside some more advanced options like layers and blending modes. This makes it appealing for both casual users and those who want a bit more control over their edits. However, some features feel a bit scattered. For example, while there are many filters and effects, finding the right one can take time. And if you're looking for comprehensive tutorials or support, the resources seem limited. Overall, it's a solid option for quick edits, but it may not satisfy those seeking in-depth capabilities. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Pixlr offers a user-friendly interface and a decent range of features for a free tool. The ability to edit in layers is a standout for those familiar with more advanced software. However, there are some frustrations. For one, the ads can be intrusive, which might disrupt the flow of your editing. Additionally, while it has a good selection of filters, some advanced features are locked behind a paywall, which could leave users wanting more. For beginners, it's a great starting point, but more seasoned editors might find it lacking in depth. If you're looking for something comprehensive, you might want to explore paid alternatives. In conclusion, Pixlr Photo Editor is worth trying if you need a quick and easy solution for basic photo editing. However, if you require more advanced features or a seamless experience without ads, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it's a handy tool for casual users but may not meet the demands of professional editors.